Hi guys, it's Ed from Off the Trails Outdoors. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so I just picked up this new dump trailer, and like most things around here, factory height's not going to cut it. So today I'm fixing that. I'm adding 10-inch side rails to this trailer so I can haul more firewood, more brush, and honestly, make fewer trips. I'll walk you through how I built them, what I used, and whether it actually makes a difference when it's all loaded up. So this is a 10-foot dump trailer, so I've got 10-foot long boards. They are 2x10s, and then what I did at the end is I tapered the end so when I pull my tarp over, that doesn't snag on the corner pieces. There's 3 pockets on each side, so that's where I'm going to be adding in my braces, and those were made out of 2x4s. Here's an example one of the braces. So I did pre-stain these with a black wood stain, so I'm going to start placing these around before I start putting on my sideboards. All right, so for the front here, I have these cut pretty close to perfect. The next board here, I've got a 5-foot long here, and it'll go right here. So that's pretty much where it's gonna go. So the back one I'm gonna have to cut down, and I had to notch around this little hook here. So that way, whenever my, what do you want to call it? So when my tarp comes around here, I'll be able to click in there. I might have to trim it a little bit, but if I have to cut a little bit, that's fine. But I wanted to leave a little bit of meat on the bone there so I can get my railing. So first I'm going to first tack this on before I bolt it in. And I'm going to leave some room there. Go right in the middle here. Okay, so that's going to hold that temporarily until I get my bolts on. Okay, I was able to pick up these 1/2-inch carriage bolts from Lowe's, outdoor carriage bolt. I also like the color, and it's going to contrast right off of the side rails here. So we're gonna go add those right now. All right. Okay, washer and nut on the back. These nuts are 9/16, so I'm going to take a wrench and just kind of tighten that up on the backward and drop it. Okay. So I got 2 of the 3 on. This one I'm gonna have to trim down. All right, this back one, I'm only getting 1 in there just because of the mount for the cover. So that's one side done. I really think it looks sharp. So on to side 2. So there's my back bracket, just one. There's my second one with the 2 bolts in it. We're gonna finish up the last one. So I'll let these boards weather for a few weeks and I'll hit them with another coat of stain. But right now I'm going to start filling the trailer for my first delivery of firewood. So one of the smaller totes are already in, lots of room. This is a bigger one here, but I think I'll be able to get at least one more bigger tote in. Probably 2 face cords of firewood. So by my calculations, that's probably 2 face cords, almost a full cord when I get it heaped up. I have room to get at least another 1 big tote or 2 small totes in there. So this is hemlock firewood being delivered to a customer, and this is just going to be used for campfires. Okay, the sides are installed. My first load of firewood is on, and I can already tell this thing hauls a lot more firewood than I thought. For firewood especially, this is going to save me a ton of time and fuel, especially with the price of gas these days. If you got something out of this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for supporting the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.